Hello friends, today we will be looking at a trade in Adani Ports. To begin with, I looked at the overall trend of Adani Ports. I looked at the monthly chart, and on the monthly chart I see that the longer term trend is up. It has done a nice breakout from here and it has got a very nice upward trend. But in the last few months, it has been stagnating. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last 13 months, it has been stagnating almost a year, going side to side. And if you see on the weekly chart, you may also spot a triangle formation here. So one line here, line here. So there is a potential triangle formation also here. So just to show you. So these two, if you connect, there is one line here, maybe a little down. So this is one arm of the triangle. This could be another arm of the triangle. Let us plot it. So if you look at this from here, we can say this is a triangle. It tried to break that triangle downwards, but went inside the triangle again. So the triangle is still valid because the close happened inside the triangle. So the movement is clearly sideways on weekly as well. Now let us look at the daily chart. Again, a very sideways movement, triangle formation waiting for the triangle to break. So of course, if the triangle breaks, whenever it breaks, there will be a very big move. If it comes down, then it will come down to at least the monthly demand zone. If it goes up, there is a long way up from here, given the triangle's properties. Right now, what we are looking at is, since the movement is sideways, we are looking at very short-term trades or intraday trades. So for an intraday trade, you need to look at daily chart, sideways, 2-hour chart is again. So on a 2-hour chart, if you look at it, the trend is up. So higher low, higher high. So the trend is up. There is a nice demand zone here on a 2-hour chart, but it has already been tested. So it may not respect that and it may come down. What is interesting is there is a demand zone on 15 minutes, which is coinciding with this line, which caught my attention. So this demand zone, price went up, came down. Here there was a resistance. So the price came down from here and broke this resistance. And after it broke this resistance, the price went up very sharply. So this could be a good demand zone hiding here, which I want to consider. And this zone also coincides with the triangle's lower arm. So it could also be a very strong support area. So I looked at this 15-minute chart. I plotted this demand zone. And if you see, if you take this gap as a potential resistance, because there was also a bounce from here, we can get a nice 1:2 risk to reward to risk ratio. 2:1 reward to risk ratio. So this is the trade I have planned. What I am expecting from here is the price may come down here, since this is a triangle arm as well as a demand zone coinciding, and this is also a reversal zone. It is a very strong zone. So it may come down and go up and give us, let us see, about 1.37% kind of return on investment on an intraday basis. About 1.1 to 1.3% on an intraday is not bad. So let us look at how this trade pans out. I am going to take this trade. I have already entered a bracket order to buy this stock at this level. So the entry level is a little above the demand zone and the stop loss is a little below the demand zone to account for any volatility that may make the price to swing. And even considering this, there is a 1.3, 1.4 kind of percentage return on investment expected. Let us see if this trade happens. If you would like to take this trade, you can look at these markings, plot it on your own chart, and take the trade if you find it convincing enough. However, before I leave you, let me put in a small disclaimer. This is not an investment advisory video. I am not giving you any investment advice. I am not a certified investment advisor. So I am putting a disclaimer that if you would like to trade or invest, please take advice from a qualified investment advisor or do your own analysis before taking any such trades. I am sharing this trade only for learning purpose. I am going to take this trade. So if anyone else is learning, they can also look at this trade, analyze whether this makes sense to them, and take the trade. If there is profit, I don't take any credit for it. If there is any loss, I don't take any blame for it because I am not an investment advisor. This is not an advisory video. This is purely a training video. If you like this video and if you would like to see my other trades also, I keep posting my trades from time to time. If you want to see my future trades that I do in the future, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share this video with your friends and relatives who may also be interested in trading. And if you would like to join my Telegram channel, I have shared the link there. If you would like to join my WhatsApp group, I have shared the link there in the description. I also have a Facebook page for which I have shared the link, which you can follow. And I also have a Twitter account. If you want to look at my tweets where I share my trades, the link is also given there. So you can follow my Twitter account as well. So thank you very much for your patient watching of this video, and happy trading, safe trading. Thank you very much.